In Lebanese Arabic, and actually in all other Arabic dialects, including modern standard Arabic and Fusha, we don't only have singular and plural words, we also have what we call dual words. Why? Because whenever we want to count two of something, we need the dual form. So we have for one, two, and plural. For example, sahan means plate. Sahan, it has a ha sound. Sahan. So if I want to say one plate, I can just say sahan, or I can specify and say sahan wahad. Wahad means one. Sahan wahad. The two words have a ha. Sahan wahad. And only when it comes to number one, we put it after the object being counted, not before. So for example, in English you say one plate. In Arabic it's like you're saying plate one. Sahan wahad. If you want to say three plates, you need the plural form of the word sahan, which is shoon. It's one syllable and it has a ha. Shoon. You should be able to say it with one clap. Shoon. Shoon. It's not sahoon. Shoon. Plates in the plural. So if I want to say, for example, three plates, I say tlit shoon. Tlit shoon. You can do a little link and say tlit tashoon if it's easier. Tlit tashoon, three plates. Now what if I want to say two plates? In that case, we have the unique dual form in Arabic. It's a suffix that you add at the end of the word sahan, which is in the singular. So the suffix is in. So I take sahan plus in, it becomes sahnain. Sahnain, two plates. So I don't need to say sahnain tnain, although number two means tnain, because already when you're saying in, when you're adding the in at the end of sahan, it means it's two plates. So sahan wahad, sahnain, tlit tashoon, three plates. Now we're gonna try the same thing with the word علبة, which means box or can. Now the word علبة is unique because it's a feminine word. It has a te marbuta in the end. The te marbuta is usually a silent sound, but sometimes you pronounce it as a t. But here the word is written as علبت with the te marbuta, but you don't pronounce the t when the word is on its own. علبة. But whenever I want to add in to it, I cannot say علبة in, then I really have to pronounce the te marbuta. That's why I say علبتين. I'm not even saying علبتين anymore. I'm saying علبتين. 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 Two boxes. So علبة وحدة, علبتين, and in the plural it's علب. علب. تلت علب. Three boxes. So علبة وحدة, علبتين, تلت علب, boxes or cans.